afternoon, everyone. We are going to Matsumoto Castle here in Japan. Matsumoto. We're gonna take the JR Limited Express train that goes all the way down to Nagano, which is about 3 hours and 30 minutes. It's a very comfortable route, so sit back and relax and then just enjoy the view. Before we get into the train, we're gonna grab a small obento and eat it as we're riding the train. It's really, really great. I love this store. Alrighty guys, we are going to Nagano. We're taking the JR Limited Express train. Okay. So we're here in the train. We're on our way to... We are now on the way to Nagano.
By another passenger.
I just love how I love the view of Shinjuku from here. It's so nice. Interesting. I think loving trains is every little boy's fandom when they're kids in Japan.
I think so. And nowadays it's difficult to see Shinkansen from my parents' house. However, before that, before tall buildings, apartments were built, we could see Shinkansen from our parents' house.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so
that is so cool.
He likes them.
You can see this. That is so cool. Wow. I think as soon as the tall buildings were built, he can't see it anymore, and he stopped becoming a train fan.
And the line we go to Tokyo. Tokyo Station.
Interesting. Okay. Nagano Prefecture. we passed by Nagano City, sorry.
It looks so funny.
Yeah.
It looks so fun, sorry.
Thank you.
So fun.
It's really fun. Wow. We have some good seats. This is a perfect area. You see right directly in the train station. Wow. We're going fast too. A bit more, very nice.
I can understand. It's really cool.
It's very relaxing. Alright, so I got this obento from Shinjuku Station. She's got fish.
They are souvenirs. From Gifu Prefecture, and this is from Aichi Prefecture.
Aichi Prefecture, interesting. Wow. I love just the raindrops slowly falling on the window. The train ride is so relaxing. I absolutely love this. To knowing about the different cities and what they offer, you're like a specialist, Hiroko. Yeah, you could be an excellent tour guide. You're welcome. I'm just so surprised at how much you know. Like, wow. When we go to the US, I'll try my best to explain many things like you.
Thank you, Dee.
Love the train noise. Dun, 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 dun. Yokohama Sen Hachi Anorikae desu. 結構はちょっと難しい。
And I'm surprised that that company is planning to sell all of their factories in Hino City.
Really?
Yeah.
What? That's not good. Selling their factories?
Yeah, it's not good, I think.
I think right now what's going to have to happen and what will happen is Japan changing its business structure. What's going to happen next is Japan is going to start to change their structures to not, I don't think more so globalization, but its new approach, like instead of the same system from the 90s, they will start to change their approach with using more young people to not only develop but create new products and technology. So they're entrepreneurs. However, they are, they mostly spent a lot of time going back and forth to America. They grew up in Japan. One of them is a Nisei, and the other one is full Japanese, and he went to go study abroad. But he decided to start a business, and I love this atmosphere. Look at the fog on the mountains. It's really nice. Interesting. Looks like we're getting close to Kofu, you say? The homes are so big in Yeah, very close, I think.
We are still
Cloudy and foggy mountains in the background. Excuse me, guys. I'm actually eating and trying to talk, so sorry if I mispronounce a few of my words. They say, what is he saying? Are you trying to say the word mountain? Wow, look at that view.
a lot of nice views. It's so beautiful.
I love that. Love that. Very nice.